Hello everyone, today's menu will be Salsa Pasta Casserole. It's made with simple ingredients, perfect for a delicious meal. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing you want to do is bring a pot of water to a boil, and then once it's boiling, you want to add in a little bit of salt. And then you want to add in your pasta. And the one I'm using is Rotini, but you can use whichever one that you prefer. And then you just want to cook this until it's al dente. It will take anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes. And then I'm just chopping up the onions. And like I always say, you can use whichever onion that you prefer. And this is cilantro, and I'm just going to finely mince it. And you can also use dry cilantro or fresh parsley. And then I'm just shredding the cheese. I do have two different kinds of cheese here, mozzarella and cheddar. But you can use whichever cheese that you like. I just like the combination of both of these. Over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in the beef. And then I'm just going to break it up a little bit. And once it's all nice and broken down a little bit, I'm just going to add in the onions. And then you just want to stir it up to combine everything well. And then you just want to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the meat is no longer pink. You can drain your oil if you wish, but I'm going to keep mine. And this is 1 can of cream of jalapeno soup. And then I'm also going to add in 1 jar of Pincante salsa, along with some garlic powder, and then 1 cup of shredded cheese. And then you just want to give it a mix to combine, and then you want to cook this for about 1 minute. And then you'll want to turn off the stove and taste with seasoning, but for me this is perfect. Okay, and then now I'm just going to toss in the pasta, and if you want you can go ahead and add in the cilantro too, but for now I'm just going to leave it out. And then you just want to give it a good mix, combine everything well. This will take a minute or two. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then here I have a casserole dish that I already sprayed some olive oil to coat the side and the bottom. And then you just want to pour your pasta mixture into the casserole dish. I'm just going to spread them out a little bit. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is sprinkle on some good old cheese, just right on top. Put the rest of them, just going to spread them out a little bit. Okay, and then now it's ready to go into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Here is the end results of the Salsa Pasta Casserole. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.